Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something exciting for all you photography beginners out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the Akaso v50x native 4K action camera. Now, this camera isn't just for action enthusiasts. It's also a fantastic choice for those of you starting your photography journey. Stick around as we dive into the features and performance that make this camera stand out in the market. Let's start with an overview. The Akaso v50x is a compact, versatile, and budget-friendly action camera. But don't be fooled by its price tag. It's packed with features that make it a great option for beginners. First things first, let's talk about the design and build of this camera. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The build quality is impressive, and it comes with a waterproof case, allowing you to take it up to 131 feet underwater for those amazing underwater shots. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the video quality. The v50x can shoot in stunning 4K resolution at 30 FPS. That means you'll capture every detail of your adventures. Whether you're shooting landscapes or action-packed moments, this camera delivers crisp and clear footage. One feature that sets the v50x apart is its electronic image stabilization. It ensures your videos remain smooth and steady, even in shaky conditions. This is a game changer for beginners, as it helps eliminate that annoying shaky footage. Navigating the camera is a breeze thanks to its 2-inch touchscreen. It's intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to change settings and review your shots with a simple swipe and tap. Now, let's talk about value. The v50x comes with a range of accessories, including a remote control, helmet mounts, and more. Plus, you can even get it bundled with additional kits for specific activities like rock climbing or parachuting.